Welcome to the AVITA Cosmos 2-in-1 laptop review. Let's begin the AVITA Cosmos 2-in-1 laptop review without wasting your precious time. From the beginning, we will start with the quick specifications of the AVITA Cosmos laptop. It comes in gray color, has a weight of around 1 kg, has a screen size of 29.46 centimeters. It comes with Windows 10 Home operating system, and it also has a special feature of touch screen. The AVITA Cosmos 2-in-1 is a compact yet powerful convertible laptop. It features an 11.6 inches Full HD LCD touchscreen with touch capability. It supports Windows 10 Home architecture and is equipped with a micro SD card reader. It also includes a USB 3.0 port, mini HDMI, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The AVITA Cosmos 2-in-1 laptop has an Intel Celeron dual-core processor with 1.10 GHz. The unit is equipped with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of MMC storage. The notebook also comes with Intel Smart Sound technology and 1-watt speakers. This affordable notebook is suitable for both school and work. Its AVITA Cosmos 2-in-1 runs the Intel Celeron dual-core processor that runs at 1.10 GHz. It comes sporting 4 GB RAM and 64 GB MMC storage. The notebook is compatible with Intel UHD 600 graphics and Intel Smart Sound technology. It is equipped with a decent display as well as good cameras and an extended battery life. It has a modest amount of storage, yet enough to be used for work and school. Thanks for watching. Follow bizproductsoutlet.com for more tech-related news.